Before we begin today's video, make sure to check out our website, staticgarage.com, to check out the stickers and new jet tags that we just dropped. So make sure to support the channel and click the link down below. What's up, bro?
Dude, hurry. We're a bit late, so we're not gonna talk too much.
Yeah, go. Hopefully I'm in focus. Sorry guys, there's no lights in here and it is really dark. This is the day we've all been waiting for. We're gonna be finally dynoing Martin's G35 and
About time.
seeing what power it makes now that the tune is done. You ready?
Let's go. Leave it right here. And they could bring it in.
Oh.
Hey, that's not a turbo. My timing belt's too tight.
You're lying.
Is that supercharged?
Huh?
Is that supercharged?
Nah, fool, my timing belt's too tight.
Remember how we were talking today
Yeah?
and I told you that like I wasn't
something
gonna
special. You got a Netflix show. We are good to go. Oh! Oh!
Damn, dude, this thing is so ready.
This thing looks so good. Bro, the moment I saw you, this fucking car, I knew it was you, fool. I was like, no mames, bro. They're
Yeah,
really
bro.
not here. I literally just got off work, bro.
We're at this place called Bottle Blown. They do a lot of dynos here and tuning, but they only do it at night. It's family owned, so right after work they come here and do all the good stuff. We actually dynoed this car already, surprisingly. We never recorded it just because it didn't make as much power as we thought. We ran into so much issues. The video was a complete mess. Instead of hiding it from you guys, might as well tell you guys, this car made shit power, and it wasn't necessarily the tune. There's a lot of fueling issues going on, but it pretty much made like NA power. It made like 290, 300 max, but it was running on a really dangerous air fuel ratio. Now it feels really good. Fingers crossed this tune's good. All the tuning that we've been doing since NA has been from RZG. He lives all the way across the country, so it's really difficult to obviously get him down here and have a dyno tune. So we're hoping it makes some good power. If not, we're gonna have to figure out what the issues are. I think the next best bet, if it doesn't make power, is just try to find a tuner that can actually tune here and do it on the dyno. So we actually know what's going on and we don't have to just, keep going back and forth. We're hoping to make some good power. And I think it's ready. From Enan and Jeremiah's reaction, I think it's ready.
Oh, man!
It needs more carbon.
I know, soon, soon. It's so low, dude. The exhaust hitting.
Yeah, they had to put an extra piece of wood. It's much more, don't go up.
What's funny is like your car's technically not that low, dude. Like I don't think my car would even make it close.
Low, bro.
Nah.
I get those fat tires in the rear.
I think low as shit.
Yeah, you're gonna get bigger tires.
How you feeling?
I don't know, bro. I think, like I said, 375. He's on 340. 340. Damn. He showed up. He decided to show up.
His headlights are clearer than the... Oh, they got RPF ones on this damn thing.
What's up, bro?
Oh, this is...
You made it? Here.
There's air one here. Fuck, I'm surprised.
Bro, this has to make power. Your guess, real quick.
More than my car and Nick's car combined.
all right, sounds fair. Nick, your guess, power number.
Oh.
You weren't here last time, huh?
What was it before?
Well, no, it was running like shit. So what do you think right now?
Oh, man.
Supercharged, 8 pounds, E85.
It was 390 last time?
290.
Oh, 290? No, maybe like 410.
Really? Damn, dude. You thought the highs. I said 375, 410.
Optimistic?
Yeah, you're way too optimistic, bro. You said 410.
I don't know about that. I know it's gonna need more boost, but...
This is as American as you can get. Doesn't even go in a parking spot. Guesses.
365 to 370.
I said 375. Nick said 410. Captain America, bro. 227 horsepower. Bro, you gotta redeem this by doubling it.
No, I want double.
No, 220, bro, supercharged.
297, the most
Bro.
they made.
Now they know why we didn't make the video. I mean, it would have been funny, but still.
Yeah, we don't want to post. It was a waste.
Yeah,
But-
we didn't have any time. We rushed it.
Yeah,
but-
like I said, we're gonna end up turning up the boost. It's getting at the most like 7 pounds. Turn it up to 10.
Just because it has
Maybe 12.
it's supposed to be an 8 psi pulley, huh?
But
The exhaust,
exhaust
and everything.
there's too much free flowing.
There we go. .309 max air fuel ratio.
Fuel is way too fucking lean.
Yeah, dude. Again.
No, it leaned out. It's fine. I mean, it ripped it out. But there's that bump right there.
So 309, that's the most made, but still, like. They only made 5 pounds of boost, huh?
Mine made a little bit.
315. So it made
298.
315. Still terrible, bro.
Feels a lot quicker than that.
300 foot-pounds of torque, that's why.
That graph though, like that's what we're looking at right now. It's a decent graph. This is a hot one, dude. Hot run.
Maybe it'll
Your disappointment?
feels way quicker than that.
I don't know.
Doesn't make any sense.
I guess we're just gonna have to see. Like I said, it could be the torque, like he said, 300 foot-pounds of torque. $317, so it keeps going up.
92. Torque.
Yeah. Quick Google search right here. On this Superflow dyno, a stock G35 makes 203 horsepower. How much power do you think it's actually making then? Because 240 is on a regular dyno. 360. It's still not good enough.
That's what I said. I said 367. But the problem is with that,
Maybe not 400.
This is more realistic. Like you could run people like V8s and people would think, yeah, I just have 300 horsepower. So you're gonna think,
so you spent what, 10 G's on your G, right? And then you can run with stock 5.0s. Now you have fun.
that's the big thing right now. It's like I think a lot of people are gonna see this and be like, damn, this car made no power. But from what I've seen, the Superflows are really, really low numbers. Normally, like on a Mustang dyno, they make like 240. So if we're taking that same math on this dyno, he should be close to 360, my guess. So we obviously don't know. If anyone has ran a Superflow, make sure to let us know. But this one is meant to hurt your feelings. And I'm pretty sure Martin's hurt.
Well, when he's skating out, it'll make like 5.
Ready for that test drive?
We are going
that
on
300
test drive.
horsepower
I
test
can't
drive.
wait to drive this car right now.
You are not driving this thing.
I'm not driving.
No.
I can't wait to get a ride in this car right now. So, yeah. Let's go. I feel like a hooker. Oh. Is your traction control on?
It's off. Ready? Hold it.
I'm holding it. Launch it, bro.
Launch.
Okay, baby.
Okay. So,
It's nice. And you
first gear's just dumb.
yeah, you can like use all of it.
The brakes work.
Brakes work good.
That shit scared me.
Yeah.
Fucking brakes stop, dude. I might not need to upgrade them.
It feels good.
Yeah, I'm saying it's
Yeah.
fine, huh?
It's nice.
Just slowing down.
Hey, Jack, when you didn't brake till over there, where he's like, what the fuck?
Dude, stop.
He's got balls, bro.
Don't do that to Nick.
He's got balls.
Alright, you ready? Bro, we can smell the brakes.
Yeah.
Hey, don't kill him, please.
Alright, I'll go a little faster.
Alright.
Bro, flames, bro. You recorded that shit? Woo! Dude, that flame was massive. We heard it was boom.
Do a burner.
How do you feel, Nick?
That was crazy, dude.
It's fast, huh?
Yeah, I felt it in my stomach like pretty
Yeah. Bro, this shit's fun.
I was like, dude.
Ready to go before they call the cops?
Yeah, it is not 300 horsepower, bro. I don't know, bro.
That's pretty crazy. Like, it's pretty good. Like from the last time I rode it.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Way different, huh?
Yeah. I mean, just wait till it's all good, dude. Later.
That's nuts, dude. All right, later, guys. Thanks for coming. Peace out. Oh. How do you feel, bro? You feel disappointed, but then the
But
speed.
it's fun. It's weird.
I know. I don't know, man. Hopefully it's focused because it's pretty dark, so it might be blurry. But we're right here at Red Robin trying to get some grub before we go home. I guess I'll start with my initial thoughts. I thought it was gonna hit 375.
I'm on disappointment right now.
Just from the Bud Dyno, and that's me driving a lot of fast cars and knowing, you know, the difference in power in them. Martin hitting 317 with like 300 foot-pounds of torque, that's nuts. First, I thought either my butt dyno is definitely wrong and I'm being a little bitch when it comes to the pulls, or obviously the dyno's reading low. There could be a difference in the dyno. It could be reading like, what, 20 horsepower difference. But, I mean, the car is light, it's completely gutted, and it feels fast. A stock automatic G35 should make the same amount of power on that supercharger, and we're on E85, so it should make way more. I don't think the tune is necessarily bad, considering it's an E-tune, but I mean, I think something that we really need to consider is a dyno tune will be a lot more accurate, a lot better, and we'll get an accurate representation. And especially if he's going to drop the pulley, you're going to be messing with more boost, so you really need to make the car safer at that point. So I think it's just up to Marin. I mean, it's really hard leaving RDG because, I mean, we've been tuning with him throughout everything, and a lot of the other tuners are booked for a very long time. I mean, with everything we have going on, if Marin's content with the power right now, he can order all the stuff, get it ready, and we can pretty much do whatever else we need to do, and book a spot and just wait the month or two and then re-dyno it. It's a process, and I mean, it's pretty dope. Even though it wasn't crazy amount of power, it's fun.
I am disappointed, but at the same time, I'm not really disappointed in how it feels. It's weird.
Dude, we've driven GTRs. We've driven a lot of things, but then again, like Reeves said, this is a shitbox. Like a shitbox, like a Honda Civic having 200 horsepower feels fast as fuck.
Like, I'm happy with it, then I'm thinking about it, it's like, do I need that much power? It just
I don't
spins,
know,
it spins stupid in first, second, sometimes. And if I bump it up, let's say I actually make 400 at that dyno, it's an extra 80 or
Dude,
whatever.
that's gonna be ridiculous. Third
So
gear.
third gear is just gonna be stupid, and that's where third gear is fun.
I
I just
think
hate
that-
that everything's different, so you can't even compare it to anything.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is where we're gonna be leaving off the video. Comment down below what you guys think, whether you're happy, disappointed. You just see this as another stage in the crave for more power. But I think we just gotta keep going, seeing what we can do. And even with my car, God, the 1JZ, I want to hit 350 on that thing, but on that dyno, I don't know. Oh man. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one.
Love me in, swerving in the whip and I'll crash again. I can't sleep, you're stuck inside